So today is PPF day. We are going to go take this beast to go get paint protected. This is something that I wanted to do since I thought of even getting this car. With this color and this price point of this car, it has to be protected. So I'm going to head over to Hot Spot Window Tinting in Marietta. This is a place that I went to go take my C350 in to go get its tinting. And I trust them, they've done a good job, and I know that they can get the job done. And for the price point, I mean, it's unbeatable for their quality of work as well. So for the PPF, I'm going to get the whole front end done. So the bumper, the headlights, the hood, the side fenders, and the mirror caps, and then as well as the trim pieces in the front. So that's what's going to happen. This is a good investment for anyone who has a car like this or similar to a higher end car. You want to protect it. You don't want rock chips to chip up your car, and it's worth the investment in my opinion. So let's go head over there to Hot Spot Window Tinting and get this thing done. I don't know how long it's going to take. So yeah, let's go check it out.